In today's video, we are making tasty Rava Kesari. Let's make. Let's look at the ingredients. To make Kesari, we need 1 cup of rava, 1 cup of sugar, ghee, 3 cups of water and dry fruits, cardamom powder and food color. Now let's prepare. Let's start to cook. Let's pour some water. Let's wait until it's boiled. The water is boiling. Let's put rava. Let's see, the rava is cooked. The rava is cooked. Let's add sugar. Now let's mix it. The sugar is dissolved completely. Let's add ghee. Now let's mix well. Now let's add food color and let's add cardamom powder. And now let's mix it well. The kesari is ready. Let's put dry fruits. The kesari is ready. It looks so yummy. Let's eat. Let's taste it. I made it myself. It's so yummy. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.